Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to animate the button in PowerApps. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In PowerApps, if you want to animate the button, first of all, what you need to do is you need to click on settings, then go to updates, and from here you need to make sure that modern controls and themes are enabled. After that, you can close it. Now what I will do is I will insert a button. And here I will name this button as, let's say, save. And then I will add a icon. So I will search for save. You can see icon has been added here, right? Here you can change the layout, whether you want to place the icon before or after the text. You can say text only and also icon only, right? For now I will keep as icon before, right? Here you can enable or disable the view or display mode of the button, right? If you say disabled, it will be grayed out, and if you say edit, you will be able to interact with the button, and if you say view, then you will not be able to perform any action on that button, right? For now I will keep the display mode of the button as edit. Here I will set the font size as 25, right? Now you can see the text is bigger. Now on the select of this button, what I want to do is I want to call a Power Automate flow, right? So here you can see that I have a flow called Animate, and what this flow contains is it just has a compose action where I will print the today's date, and then I have delay of 7 seconds, and then it will respond back to the PowerApps. Now on button click, what I will do is I will specify the flow which will run. So I will say animate.run, right? And now if I press Alt key and click on this button, you will see that there is dots, right? Which means it is performing the action. If I click on it again, it will again execute that flow. If I click it again, you will see that multiple times the flow will run. Here you can see that your flow has run multiple times, right? So now what I want to do is when I click on this button, right, until the flow execution is completed, it should not allow the user to click on this button again, right? So that kind of functionality I want to achieve that functionality, what I will do is I will make use of timer control. The timer control has a property which is repeat, and in the duration I will specify 1, right? And then we have one property which is on timer end. Here I will create a local variable which is update context, then curly bracket, and here I will specify the variable which is icon rotate angle colon. Then here I will make use of mod function. In the mod function I will specify this variable, then I will do a plus, and I will add the value as, let's say, 12, 360, right? So it will rotate the icon. Okay, and now what I will do is I will set the visible property of this timer control to false, right? Now I will go to this button, and here we will again update the variable. Now here I will create one more variable which is icon saving. So I will say icon saving, and the value will be false, and I'll come down here and say value is true. Or the first, what I will do is I will make it as false, and here I will keep it as true. Now I will go to icon, and here I will add a formula. So I'll say if icon saving is equals to true, then I want to use arrow sync, else I want to keep it as save, right? Now there is one more property, the button, which is icon rotation. Here what I will do is I will specify if icon saving is equals to true, then I want to use icon rotate angle, else I want to keep it as 0. Now what I will do is I will add a condition for the text. Here I will add if icon saving is equals to true, then I will say saving, else it should be saved. Now I will set the display mode of the button. For that I will add the condition again, which is if icon saving, comma, if it is true, then I want to set the display mode of the button as disabled, else I want to set the display mode of the button as edit. Then I will close the bracket. Now I have to set one last property of the timer control. I will go to start, and here I will set the variable which is icon saving. Now I will play this application and then I will click on it. You will see the button is disabled and it is syncing, right? Once the execution is completed, you can see the button is in the edit display mode. Now I will check the flow status. Here you can see that the flow has been executed. So this is how you can animate the button in PowerApps. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.